Good afternoon, dear teacher. We are the group number 2, and we are going to talk about of the theme Phonology 1, the sound patterns of Phonology 2.
Hello there, Professor. I am Soraya Villalta, and today I'm going to talk about um, allomorphs. The allomorphs are the variation or different pronunciation of morpheme. Can have a different phonetic form in a different environment. A unit of meaning can vary in sound without changing meaning. Wow. So remember, varieties of the same morpheme are called allomorphs. These variants can occur in the root and in the inflections and the derivatives affixes. Thank you. Well, I'm going to continue with the examples. There are three allomorphs of the morphemes S in English. Compare the sounds of the S in roots, bees, coaches. Okay, repeat. Roots, bees, coaches. Okay, so the word finish in S, but its sound is different. Okay. Um, Other example is a hunted, bend, finished. Okay, hunted, bend, finished. Okay, in these examples, the same thing happening. It's ending in the same, but its song is different. That's what we call elements. Thank you.
I am Silvia Guaman, and I am going to talk about what is a phoneme. In linguistics, a phoneme is the main sound unit of a language. That is a theoretical obstruction that corresponds to each of the sounds articulated when speaking a language. In addition, it consists of a set of symbols that are not linked to any particular sounds since they are located in a more abstract analysis. In the English language, there are about 44 phonemes. I will explain some examples. In the first part, we have the words cat and dog, and in these words, we have three phonemes. In the second part, we have the word cat with three letters and three phonemes, and the word chat with four letters and three phonemes, because the consonants C and H form a phoneme. In the third part, we have the word rest with four letters and four phonemes, and the word phoneme with seven letters and five phonemes, because the consonants P and H form one phoneme, and the vowel E has no sound in this word, and this vowel not form a phoneme. In the fourth part, we have the word must. This word form five phonemes, and the last word it ended, and we have five letters and form five phonemes, because in this part the vowel E and consonant D have a sound in this word.
Good afternoon. My name is Elsa Yaulema, and I'm going to talk about what are allophones. Allophones, they are phonetic variations of a phoneme. Some characteristics of the pronunciation of a phoneme which may vary according to its position in the word or syllable and in relation to neighboring sounds, although it is still considered the same phoneme. They are the different realizations or pronunciation or variants that the same phonemes can have. For example, um, each of the phonemes V, V, and G has two um, main allophones in Spanish, respectively. BDG, BDG occlusively, and BDG approximants. The following are examples of aspirate and not aspirate sounds. Aspirate, pot, not aspirate, spot. Aspirate, top, not aspirate, stop. Aspirate, cut, not aspirate, scot. Aspirate, opposed, not aspirate, plop.
Hello, dear professor. I'm Lorena Velasquez, and I will talk about the illustration of allophones. Allophones are those variants not contrastive, only the meaning change. For example, in this set of words, blow, clap, clear, and play, we can see that whenever L follows a P or K, and it is devoiced. But in this other set of words, as blue, gleam, leaf, fall, silly, when the L appears in another environment, like following a voice stop in the beginning, at the end, or in the middle of a word, is ordinary. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daniela Jimenez, and today I'm going to talk about minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are words that are very similar and only vary by a single sound. For example, when we say the words cell and shell out loud, we are making very similar sounds. The only difference is the S and sh sounds at the beginning of words. Other examples are grammar, glamour, royal, loyal, arrive, ally. The crowd cheered the speaker. The crowd cheered the speaker. In this example, the two words cheer and jeer are a minimal pair, and yet the simple difference makes the words antonyms. Minimal pairs activities are important for developing speakers, whether they be young children or those learning a new language, as they help students to differentiate sounds and words. Thank you.